Introducing the 2015 Jeep Cherokee. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Jeep Cherokee, the stylish midsize SUV with sleek lines, ample cargo capacity, rich interior appointments, and advanced technology that keeps you safe and secure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, satellite radio, keyless start, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, alarm, power driver's seat, stability control. Don't miss out on the chance to drive a rugged SUV that's designed with passenger comfort in mind. Drive the Cherokee.